In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. We'll start right inside your Figma file. Make sure the design you want to convert is open, and ideally, that your layers are organized and grouped into frames, since that helps produce cleaner code. Look towards the bottom of the Figma window and click the Actions icon. This opens quick options that let you access extra tools without digging through menus. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can find and run community add-ons that extend Figma's capabilities. In the search field that appears, type the word Teleport. You're looking for the Teleport HQ plugin, which is designed to turn your Figma elements into production-ready code. When you see Teleport HQ, Figma to code, export HTML, CSS, React, and Vue, click it to launch the plugin. If your design is complex, give it a moment to load. For best results, select the exact frame or component you want to convert. Selecting the right layer ensures the export contains only what you need, rather than the entire page. Inside the plugin, choose the option to export as a new project. This sends your selected design over to Teleport HQ and creates a fresh project for it. Depending on the size of your frame, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, you'll be taken to the Teleport HQ editor in your browser. In the Teleport HQ editor, click on the code panel to reveal the generated code. If an upgrade prompt appears, simply close it and continue. You can proceed without changing plans. Now, at the top left of the code panel, open the drop-down to switch the language or file view. Select HTML if you want the page structure, or CSS if you want the styling rules that Teleport HQ generated from your Figma layers and properties. With the correct view selected, you can review the code and copy it into your project. If you exported images or icons, make sure the asset paths in the HTML or CSS point to where you'll host them. For cleaner results, keep using frames, auto layout, and consistent spacing in Figma. That structure often translates into better class names and fewer absolute positions in the CSS. That's it. You clicked the Actions icon, opened Plugins and Widgets, searched for Teleport, launched Teleport HQ, selected the right layer, exported a new project, opened the code panel, dismissed any upgrade prompt, used the drop-down, and chose HTML or CSS. Follow these steps whenever you need fast, design-accurate code.